In this video, I'm going to show you how to rewrite an article in Grammarly step by step so you can quickly improve clarity, change the tone, shorten your writing, or completely rephrase a section without starting from scratch. This is a super useful feature if you write blog posts, essays, articles, scripts, or any long-form content and want Grammarly to help you polish it faster. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the document or article you want to rewrite inside Grammarly. This can be a draft you're already working on or a piece of text pasted into the editor. Once your article is open, find the exact sentence, paragraph, or section that you want to change. Now use your mouse to click and drag across the text to highlight it. This is an important step because Grammarly needs to know which part of the article you want to rewrite. After you highlight the text, you should see the Grammarly bar or a floating widget appear on the left side of your document. Depending on the version you're using, it may look slightly different, but the idea is the same. This little bar gives you access to Grammarly's rewriting and AI tools. Go ahead and click on it to open the AI window. Once the pop-up window opens, Grammarly will show you different rewriting options. These presets are designed to help you quickly transform your text without needing to type everything manually. If you want your writing to sound cleaner and easier to read, choose Improve. If you want Grammarly to rewrite the text while keeping the same meaning, choose Rephrase. If you need to turn the text into another language, use Translate. If your paragraph is too long, Shorten is a great option to make it more concise and direct. You can also adjust the tone of your writing using friendly or formal. This is really helpful when you want your article to sound more casual and conversational or more professional and polished. For example, if you're writing for a business audience, a formal tone can make your content feel more credible. If you're writing for readers who want a more relaxed style, a friendly tone can make the article feel more natural and approachable. If none of the preset options fit exactly what you need, Grammarly also lets you enter a custom prompt. This is where you can type your own instruction, such as, make this sound more like a technical tutorial, or rewrite this in a more engaging blog style, or simplify this for beginners. Custom prompts are especially powerful because they let you control the rewrite much more precisely. After Grammarly generates the rewritten version, take a moment to review it carefully. Don't just accept it immediately. Read through the new text and make sure it still says what you want it to say. Check the tone, clarity, and accuracy. If the rewrite looks good and matches your goal, click Accept at the bottom left of the window. That will replace your original text with the new version. And that's it. You've now learned how to rewrite an article in Grammarly using highlights, preset rewrite tools, tone adjustments, and custom prompts. This is one of the fastest ways to improve your content while keeping full control over the final result. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Grammarly tutorials and other easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.